Good morning, children. In this class of maths, we will learn subtraction with regrouping. Step by step, we will try to learn it. Now you have a question. You have to subtract 3,357 from 6,125. The first step is, you can see the first step. Here is the first step. First, we will subtract ones. This is the rule of subtraction. We will have to subtract ones. We cannot subtract 7 from 5. In previous class, I told you we subtract the smaller number from the greater number. And you can see here, you have to subtract 7 from 5. That means greater number from a smaller number. It's not possible for you. Then what you will have to do? We borrow 110 and change it into 10 ones. We borrow from here 110 and change it into ones. 10 ones, 10 plus 5, 15. You have to minus 7 from 15 and you will get 8. Now the step 2. What is the step 2? Step 2. Next we will subtract tens. Now we subtract tens. We we cannot subtract 5 from 1. Now you have here 1 and you have to subtract 5 from 1. It's not possible for you. Then what you will do? You will again borrow from hundreds. We borrow 100 and change it into 10 ones. 10 plus 1, 11. 11 minus 5, 6. Now step 3. Step 3, you can see. Then we will subtract hundreds. Now you will subtract 100 and you have 0 here. And you have to subtract 3 from this 0. It's also not possible. Then we borrow 1000 and change it into 10 hundreds. Then it will become 10. 10 plus 0, 10 minus 3, 7. Now, fourth step. Now we can subtract thousands. You can easily subtract thousands. You don't have to borrow. 5 minus 3, 2. Then this is the answer, 2768. By subtracting 3,357 from 6,125. Now question number 1. Question number 1. You have to subtract 1,947 from 4,128. You will subtract, start from ones. 8 minus 7, 1. Then you have to subtract tens place. 2 minus 4. It's not possible. So you will borrow from hundreds place, 100 and change it into 10 tens. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 minus 4, 8. You will write here 8. Then you have here 0. 0 minus 9. You can't subtract. So we will borrow from 4 thousands place. And it will become 10. 10 minus 9, 1. Then 3 here. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2. We start from here. 9 minus 6 is 3. You can write easily. Then 7 minus 8. It's not possible. So you will borrow from here. And it become 10 plus 7, 17. 17 minus 8, 9. Then it is 2 here, and you can't subtract 4 from 2. So we'll borrow from here, and this is 10 plus 2, 12 4. 12 minus 4, 8. Then 6 is here, 6 minus 2, 4. Now question number 8. You have to subtract 5 from 0. It's not possible, so you will borrow from here. 10 minus 5, it becomes 5. Then 1 is here. You can't subtract 4 from 1, so you will borrow from here. 11. 11 minus 4, 7. Then 6 is here. 6 minus 2, 4. 8 minus 3, 5. In this way, you learn how to subtract bigger numbers by regrouping, by borrowing numbers. Homeworks will be given to you. You can subtract them easily.